making 2-ingredient apple fritters. Oh my goodness, these are so delicious and so easy. You just want a can of cinnamon rolls. Woo! Then you're going to cut your cinnamon rolls into pieces. Get mine. I just cut them into quarters, just like that. And I forgot to grease my baking pan. So grease your baking pan. What I'm going to do is grease one side, put them over there. Then grease the other side. See, I saved it. Alright, now we're going to put these all evenly in our pan. Oh, I love these cinnamon rolls. My kids, they must get it for me because we all love these cinnamon rolls. This apple bake is going to be so delicious. Alright, this is an 8x8 pan. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your apple pie filling, put your knife in and cut up the apples so that they're in smaller bites because they're a little too big. I mean, if you like them big, you can just go ahead and leave it if you want. But I like more of an apple fritter taste where the apples are small pieces. Okay. And then you're just going to put your pie filling all over. This pie filling is from Dollar Tree. Then we're going to smooth it all over, and we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. All right, we have our luscious 2-ingredient apple fritter. Now, I'm going to take this one out of the pan and put it on my plate. Then we're going to take our yummy frosting, drizzle the frosting all over. Oh, look at that yummy goodness. This is just the frosting that came with the cinnamon rolls. And there you have luscious apple fritter bake. This recipe is in the description below. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, there's the awesome yummy goodness. You can see people have already been sampling, but here we go.
Gotta try this. Ooh.
It's apple fritter bake.
It's hard to get a hold of it. Oh, I guess maybe I should put it on a spoon. Mmm. That's really good. Yum.
2 ingredients.
2 ingredients?
2.
Wow, that's awesome.
Is that impressive for
That's
2 ingredients?
very impressive and very delish.